Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanted forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Oh, really?
Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
10-pounder, dude.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure.
Woo! Let's go. Boom. I've lost it so many times. Dude, bent the hook out. I'm shaking right now. Oh my gosh, let's go. Had to have it, dude. Chill. Please chill. Let's go.
Chris Blanchett, come on up at Edisto Island, South Carolina. Chris had 16-2 day number one. I watched you creeping up the Bass Track leaderboard today.
Yeah, buddy, got the call this afternoon, and I'll tell you what, we got you a hog today. So.
Let's get it locked. Oh yeah, 22 pounds, 5 ounces. Chris Blanchette jumps up to 25th place. A big move for him. 38.7 is 2-day total. And yeah, there's a nice one. You want and a big rebound by Chris Blanchette. Let's see what we got here. Phoenix Boat, big bass, 8 pounds, 9 ounces, 8.9 on that one, and we went the right direction.
Yeah, buddy, we had a Rumsey Construction and Restoration week this week. Got some good points in. Excited to be here. Obviously, it's Santee Cooper, really close to the home pond, which is Lake Murray. So got a full couple months of guiding coming up. Obviously, my wife and my son are out here supporting me today. So super pumped to be here. Got some great points, ready to go to the next one on Logan Martin.
Good. We will see you there, and nice job this week.
All right, well, that's a wrap. Ended Santee Cooper in 42nd place. They paid the top 45, so we got a check out of it. Awesome week out there, great weather. You know, obviously the first day we were kind of on track to have around a 20 or 20 and a half pound bag. Unfortunately, you know, we had those 4 fish die, so we weren't able to call after, you know, around 12, 1 o'clock during the best part of the day for what I was trying to do. So, you know, ended up weighing in 17.2. Then we had the dead fish penalty, which brought it back to 16.2, which really I thought was going to hurt me and kind of prevent me from being able to cash a check. Fortunately enough, you know, I'd kind of saved some fish for day 2, and, you know, that big female had pulled up, and man, I spent 2 hours working on her to try and get her to actually bite. So, really good to get that fish in the boat, and obviously it was a day saver, right? So stay tuned. Obviously got a ton of more stuff coming up. Going to be doing some guiding on Lake Murray. Ton of content coming your way. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do it. And until the next one, I'll see you then.